Which button do you press to flush the toilet in Japan?
Here's the answer. This one flushes when you wave your hand over the sensor. This one is a push-button type. You'll find labels that say flush or push. In Japan, toilets often come with a lot of buttons, so it can be a bit confusing at first. From bidets to deodorizers, there's a button for everything. And yes, some tourists have accidentally sprayed themselves by pressing the wrong one. In some rural areas, you might find a lever instead of a button. Some toilets even offer a choice between a strong or weak flush. Stay tuned as we continue to help you get ready for a smooth and comfortable trip to Japan.